Now the VIX, and I've not done this, okay? I've not done this yet, so this is new, so you should hear this. Hear it quite clearly. I'm going to start to buy some volatility. Now there's a lot of different ways you can do it. Daryl Jones has some thoughts on the VXX. I'd actually even consider doing that too, but again, modestly or moderately relative to the other things I'm going to do. Obviously buying puts is another way to be expressing your volatility bets, but under 12, and I've been waiting for that, so again, you've been waiting for it, because why? The risk range was saying we were going to go below 12. And again, the risk range today says that we're going to go closer to 11, 11.31. So anywhere between 10 and 11, or even moderately above 11, I'm going to start buying. There are different ways that you can buy volatility. If you look at 30-day realized, Genron, if you can show that data actually has 30-day realized vol on the SPY. I couldn't make this up if I tried, but it's 5.6. That's literally no volatility. Okay, so again, you can get paid in a hurry on buying volatility if the VIX just goes literally to 14. So again, that would be a not conceptually hard thing to see, obviously, because the top end of the range is above 14 at 1466. So VXX, even at the beginning of October. So at the beginning of October, what was happening at the beginning of October? We were pricing in the final of quad 4 in Q3. For those of you that don't know, when Q3 ends, it ends at the end of Q3, which is the end of September. So that started to get priced in most violently in vol space in the first week of October. That's when people were on the linoleum floor, puking up all the stuff that they love and doing all that fun stuff. Okay, so the VXX, Jonesy, was right there at that point, right at the beginning of October. The VXX, okay? So the VXX goes, let's see here, what did it do? 11, it went down 40%. Okay, so the VXX has subsequently basically done what Jonesy said, which is it goes from this to a melting ice cube. All right, so that's literally what it's done. Right? So now, let's say it gets to 16 today. I actually would buy this. Okay, to Jonesy's point, for a tactical trade. Because the low end of the range for the VXX, the volatility of volatility on that one implies it's like 1587, low end of the range. So let's say I bought it at 16, just to make it simple. 16. All I needed to do, Jonesy, is basically go from here to 19, and I make almost 20%. Get it? If you get $3 on top of 16, that's almost 20%. So again, you don't have to lose 40% to make 20%. You just have to be more tactical about it. And that's why today, of all days, that I'm saying the things that I'm saying, is that we're getting towards not only the low end of the range on the front month VIX, but even on something like VXX, which I hate for the right reasons, I could absolutely make money off things that I hate. Do it all the time. I make money off the old wall all the time. I absolutely hate the old wall. And I don't apologize for that.